Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a winter wheat field located in central Ohio, where a 225 engine horsepower John Deere 8820 Titan II combine fitted with a 220 bushel grain tank is harvesting the crop with a 25-foot wide John Deere 925 grain head. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this harvesting action. The 8820 was introduced by John Deere in the fall of 1978 as part of the new Titan series of combines that included three models. The entry-level machine was the 145 engine horsepower, 166 bushel grain bin capacity 6620. The mid-range model is the 7720, which offered a standard 145 engine horsepower from the factory and has an optional 165 horsepower rating that could be ordered, and it's equipped with a 190 bushel grain tank. The 8820 was the top-end model. Each of these combines featured the new SoundGuard cab design, which improved the farmer's experience during harvest in running the machine and for creature comforts. At their introduction, the Titan series came with a bright yellow roof to highlight the new SoundGuard cab. They also were the first combines from the company to offer a digital tachometer. These machines have a bold turbo decal on the side to highlight the increased horsepower that they offered over the new generation combines that had been previously introduced back in 1969. The 8820 was the top-end machine in the series, initially rated at 200 engine horsepower, and that power rating was increased to 225 engine horsepower in 1981. The 8820 is equipped with a 7.6-liter, 466 cubic inch intercooled turbocharged John Deere engine. The 8820 and the other Titan series combines were manufactured in East Moline, Illinois at the company's Harvester Works for model year 1979 through 1989. In 1985, the new Titan II series combines were introduced, which included the 8820, 7720, and 6620. These machines had a bold new green rooftop. A key question many people often ask is, what is the difference between an 8820 Titan II and an 8820 Turbo other than the color of their cab roofs? One of the key updates made to the Titan II is a dual-range cylinder drive that offers more effective cylinder speeds for better separation in a variety of crops. Rasp bars on the cylinder are made of hardened chrome to allow them to last longer. The concave and beater were strengthened. The chaffer and sieve were lengthened by 6 inches, providing 7,498 square inches of cleaning area, and they shake 20% faster than the yellow top model to improve grain cleaning. The 8820 Titan II offers a total of 11% additional crop cleaning area. It threshes grain with a 65.5-inch wide cylinder and 6 straw walkers that have 9,867 square inches of shaking capacity. It's fitted with a 222 bushel grain tank that unloads at 2.2 bushels per second. The combine came standard from the factory with a 17-foot long unloading auger and had an optional 20-foot unloading auger at an additional cost of $1,071. This machine features a John Deere 4-speed hydrostatic transmission and a 100-gallon diesel fuel tank. This was the first combine available from John Deere with row crop dual wheels. The 8820 Turbo did have an optional dual wheel package, but they were bolt-on wheels. The 8820 Titan II rolled off the assembly line weighing in at 22,291 pounds. The original price tag for this combine when it was new was $103,281. When a customer ordered it with a rear wheel assist package, giving it 4-wheel drive traction, it added an additional $10,335 to the cost of the machine. The combine harvesting wheat in this video is equipped with a 25-foot wide John Deere 925 grain table that was introduced for model year 1989, and it had an original cost of $17,976. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere 8820 Titan II combine harvesting wheat. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use John Deere Titan Series combines on your farm. Does the combine have a yellow roof or a green roof? If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.